How to remove favorite games in Roblox Mobile. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Roblox application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. As you're logged into your account, tap on the More section at the bottom right corner of the screen, and here you can simply see the option of Profile. So tap on the Profile option. Now just swipe up and here you can see the option of View Full Profile. So tap on View Full Profile option over here. As you tap on View Full Profile, you'll be able to see all the profiles option over here. So you can see your whole profile section. Now what you need to do over here is simply scroll down and you'll be able to see the option of favorites. So these are the games that you have selected as favorite games in Roblox Mobile. So if you want to remove it, simply tap on it, the game that you'd want to remove it. And as a tap on the game, you can simply tap on the three dotted lines at the bottom left corner of the screen and simply tap on favorite. So here it will just toggle off the favorite option. So you can go back and check on your profile over here. And as you check on your profile, you'll be able to see that you have removed the game from your favorites in Roblox Mobile. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.